guys, it's Rachel with Cauliflower Foods, coming to you live from a brand new location here in the kitchen of the famous Thomas Delauer. So cool to be here. If you don't know who he is right now, seriously, I'm like celebrity excited right now because I've been watching you on YouTube for the last month because I'm new to the keto world, and you were like the celebrity expert when it comes to low carb and to keto, and your videos are amazing. So we're on set in Thomas Delauer's kitchen, which is crazy exciting. Thank you for having us here.
Awesome. So it sounded like you said taquitos, but it's got me a little bit hungry for a second. But anyway, yeah, no, I'm super excited about what we're making today. This is going to be awesome. What exactly are we making? Okay,
so we are making egg bombs, which is a creation of a good friend of mine, Karrie Alexander. Now, Karrie is also a good friend of Cauliflower Foods, and you and I go way back. Now, Karrie, if you can't tell, she's in great shape. She is a competitive bodybuilder and uses our cauliflower crusts in her comp prep. And I saw you make these the other day, and she posted it or sent it to me, and I was like, oh my God, these look amazing. So you're gonna teach us how to make egg bombs.
Sounds perfect.
All right, so where do we start?
We have to go over here and use the crusts that are cut up.
Okay.
And just take them. Can we bring this over here?
Cut them up into 2-inch kind of strips like that, and then cut it in half.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So are these thawed? Do you thaw it out first then?
Yes.
Okay.
And use them unthawed. And then you just line the pan with the crust like this, with them kind of hanging off the top on the side.
All right. And you're using the spicy jalapeno crust today, but you said that you can use any one of the flavors, right?
They all taste great. They all are perfect.
Awesome. Now, why do you like these crusts for these for the egg bombs?
It really just gives the flavor, and it makes things taste yummy.
Nice, very nice. And of course, they're incredibly low carb, and they fit in perfectly with not only the competition diet, but with the ketogenic diet as well.
And one of the things when you're on a ketogenic diet that you always miss is that crunch, because a lot of times when you're on a keto diet, you're not able to eat things that have that crispy, crunchy kind of thing.
Oh yeah.
With the exception of some almonds or something now and then. So the nice thing about using these crusts in this is you actually get that crisp that you really crave when you're in keto.
Oh, for sure.
So if you guys notice, I put these so you lay half of it down inside and you leave some of it on the side, and then when that cooks, that gets nice and crusty, and they kind of look like a little egg bird.
Oh,
awesome.
That's so cute. Okay.
Crusty egg bird.
New term invented right here, right now.
Yes.
Love it.
Stamping it. We're good.
All right, so we got them all prepared in there. What is the next step, Karrie?
The next step is measuring out the eggs.
Okay.
So I have 1.25 cups egg whites right here, and I have 4 regular eggs, just to cut down on a little bit of the fat in the eggs.
Okay, so
we've already mixed up the 4 eggs and measured out the 1.25 cups, and you just mix them together.
Okay,
perfect.
Go ahead. Let's see this magic happen.
Mind blown.
Oh.
Combining eggs.
And what I like to do is I like to just take the spices and put it in here and mix it all together, and then put it into the muffin tins.
Okay, so what spices are you using today? You got
just salt.
Okay.
And
always go for that Himalayan pink salt, much more abundant mineral profile in there too.
And a little pepper.
That one doesn't have a shaker, so you're gonna have to just kind of sprinkle a little bit on when you. You're strong. You can open it. Come on.
Oh, okay, I got it. So how about we do this?
Perfect. Hey, Karrie, I have a question for you. Do you know the Muffin Man?
I don't know the Muffin Man.
She's the Muffin Woman.
Okay.
This is, so you can really put anything that you want in there. I mean, if I want something a little more spicy, I could put chili flakes.
Sometimes I put asparagus, mushrooms. In the egg bombs, you can put whatever. You choose whatever you like. I mix up bell peppers, jalapenos, and I put it in a food processor. But the go-to that I always have in there is bacon and olives.
Awesome.
As well.
Very cool. Cool, so what's next?
What's next? Mix all this up. And then...
Little egg spillage, it's all good.
Now you walk over here. I'm going to take this because sometimes the eggs, it's hard to get them fairly evenly.
Okay, very cool. Now this is a lot of egg bombs, so you don't obviously eat all of these at once.
Absolutely not. What I do is when they're cooked, I freeze most of them and just pull them out of the fridge the night before for breakfast in the morning.
So meal prep
perfect.
done easy.
That's super cool.
I mean, I think breakfast is one of those hard, especially for people that have to get out of the door early.
Yeah.
It's really hard sometimes to take the time to make a really good breakfast. This is quick and easy. As a mom of 4, I'm all about quick and easy in the mornings.
Yeah. I wouldn't just be eating these for breakfast. This would be like lunch,
right?
dinner,
They're
dessert.
they're really good all the time, on the go.
I had one of these for breakfast this morning. We're traveling and staying in a house together, and Carrie brought some, and I got to sample one, and it had like bell pepper in it and bacon, and I could see getting addicted to these really quickly. Perfect. All right. Egg bombs, but we're not done yet.
No, we're not done yet.
All right.
I'm gonna have you put them in there.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna have you put that. All I do is just
I have a job.
sprinkle them on the top.
Okay, so this is just crumbled up bacon. I made this bacon this morning, and we're just gonna put just a little sprinkle in there. I'm a huge bacon lover, so I might go a little heavy on the bacon, but nothing wrong with that. Perfect. Now you can use turkey bacon, right? Or you can use regular bacon, depending on your preference.
Yep. I've used both, and they both taste great.
Make it whatever you want. Okay, it's baconified.
There's the olives for you.
Baconified.
Same thing with olives, just
olives,
add them
okay.
in there.
We're getting a little fancy here. Got some
Perfect.
sliced olives. It's almost like a pizza toppings, which is coincidental because we're using pizza crusts.
That's the whole point, right?
I love how versatile these crusts are. I mean, obviously you can make pizza with them, but these creations, such as the egg bombs that Carrie has created here, just show the versatility of them.
You could totally like take a whole pizza crust, line it in a pie pan or something like that, and make like a giant, like almost quiche version
Like a
of this.
quiche, yeah. Oh, that would be so good.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have the bacon, we have the olives, we've got the egg mixture in there, and of course the crust. What is next?
Cook it on 350 for 25 minutes.
All right, so we've got,
Business.
we're all preheated already because we are extra
Do a
prepared.
manly job and work with an appliance.
Look at that.
Get rid of this.
It's going in. Try not to spill any liquid.
And how long does that go in for?
20 to 25 minutes.
Awesome.
At 350.
At 350.
So now we patiently wait for our egg bombs. All right, we are back, and our egg bombs have been baking. What are you doing over there? Oh. Lovely. Hilarious. So you want to actually put those to use and pull out some egg bombs for us? That would be fantastic, because I have been eyeing these for the last 25 minutes, and they look amazing.
This is awesome.
They're perfectly done.
That looks incredibly crispy on the edges.
Set these here in the oven. I'm just gonna set it on the oven here.
It's a little hot. Oh my gosh, okay. I haven't even eaten it yet. I'm already in love. Now, Carrie, you put these little babies on there sometimes, right? Feel like a little spice?
The red chili peppers just give it a little spice.
All right, I'm gonna put one just on one because I do like a little bit of a kick. I don't know if you guys all do. I'm just gonna sprinkle it on there. And
You could probably put like sour cream on these, or
like a slice of avocado.
Ooh, we could do that.
Maybe even like some melted cheddar cheese.
Nice.
I'm gonna play with these.
The options are limitless.
Carrie's like, you're killing my recipe. Just eat them.
I love it. Yeah.
You probably gotta let them cool for a minute. So
we don't want to burn ourselves.
I would probably guess, for those of you that are wondering, just looking at the ingredients and knowing the ingredients in this, there's probably going to be about 140-ish calories in each one.
Probably closer to 100.
Okay, cool. So I guess it all depends on if you're adding cheese or how much egg you're going to use, or if you're going to use extra crust or anything like that. So we're looking probably 120 calories a pop. That's pretty awesome. And we're probably having, what would you say, about 20-ish grams of protein too.
Yeah.
Perfect.
And obviously very, very low carb.
Yes, of course. So it's totally keto friendly. And then how long do we have to let them cool for? Or do they usually?
You just want to let them cool so they're you can eat them right away.
Look at
But
that.
you want to let them cool and all the way before you put them in the freezer.
Gotcha. So I'm gonna grab it. I'm gonna set it out so it cools a little bit so that I can bite into it. We'll just go ahead and do this.
It's got a handle.
It does. It's
Oh my
perfect.
gosh, look at
I don't
that.
have to burn my hand when I'm doing this. Some of them connect. Like these guys are doing the. Macarena over here.
Oh, you know, I love the texture of the crust right here because I'm the type of girl who loves the crispy burnt cheese. You know when you like make a quesadilla and you have those little burnt cheese crumbles in there? It's so tasty. This is almost has the flavor for me of like crispy cheese. I love it.
Awesome. This guy actually looks like a face, like with a
little olive face.
Mohawk.
This would be really good for like a Sunday brunch.
I'm gonna cut one open just so I can see how fluffy they are and everything like that, because I can already tell.
Oh my goodness! Look at that.
Yummy.
Stunning.
That's what I'm talking about. A little steam action going on there. This is like boiling, but I can't wait any longer.
It smells so good. I wish you guys could smell this right now because it smells incredible.
Good.
How it good? All right.
That's really, really good.
I'm going in for the other half. Egg bombing it right now.
I'm so excited you guys love my recipe.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Well.
It's like they have a handle. It makes it fun. It's actually fun to eat too, so that's totally something you could do with your kids.
Oh yeah. Oh, and you know what? The kids could put in their own toppings into, you know, whatever little cup they have.
Crayons. What's happening? Is there a dog? We got a dog here. A dog. Dog issue.
Please.
All right.
All right.
So Karrie, recap for us real quick ingredients, and we'll go ahead and overlay them on the screen just so everyone's got them.
Egg whites and whole eggs, olives, bacon or cheeky bacon with a jalapeno pizza crust.
Awesome. Now we will actually have the full recipe on our website, which we will link at the bottom of this YouTube show. So I had so much fun today with you guys. This was fun.
Awesome. Thank you for
so much fun. I love it when we have celebrity guests in our, well, this isn't our kitchen. We're in Thomas's kitchen. But stay tuned for the next episode of What's Cooking with Cauliflower. And make sure to subscribe so you can see all of our simple, creative, and obviously delicious recipes that we have coming your way.
And if you have ideas for future videos or you have any recipes that you want to share, make sure you put them in the comment section below, because we definitely go through and we look at all those, and that's how we get awesome ideas like we found Karrie's recipe. So you always want to make sure that you're putting them down there in the comment section so we can see them.
I love that. I love that. You could be highlighted on cauliflowerfoods.com.
See you soon.